Today we're going to be doing TIG welding, doing a vertical butt weld, which is the PF or 3G position, and we're going to be completing 2 runs. One of them is the root run and one of them is the capping run. So to start this weld, we're going to be using the lay wire technique, which is a continuous feed of wire into the welding pool. The first thing we've done is set our amps to 110. We know to use these amps because we had a little practice before making this video, which would advise everyone to do and not just start welding straight away, as this is how material is wasted or gets scrapped. Get a piece of scrap material and have a play with it and find the correct settings. The aim of the first run is to make sure that we fuse both edges of each plate and ensure we get a convex welding profile on the back side of the joint. We are now switching view to the root side of the joint. As you can see from this, we are achieving penetration all the way up the joint, and we are not blowing through the material, and it's moving in a smooth continuous form. Don't forget guys, if you do like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps us out. As you can see, we're coming towards the end of the weld now. We have limited the heat input into the joint using a foot pedal to ensure it does not overheat and become flat. On the second run, which is called the hot pass, the aim is to fill the joint without overheating or disturbing the root run. This can be a problem as overheating the root will cause the root profile to become flat or concave or potentially push more metal through. The problem we have here is that we are hot passing and capping the joint in one go, so the heat input is especially important to keep an eye on. We are moving our torch using a weave technique to make sure that our weld pool covers the edges of the joint. We keep feeding our 2.4mm TIG welding wire into the pool at a regular rate, ensuring that we have enough filler material to fill the joint as well as giving us a convex profile, as if we do not do this, we could have welding defects such as undercut or underfill. If we add too much wire into the joint, we could overfill the joint, which would give us a large welding profile. To achieve a neat finish and ensure we have no welding defects, we make sure that we keep a steady hand as we're going vertical. It's much more difficult to weld than if you're welding flat. If you struggle with this, you can get something to lean on as an aid, which helps keep you steady while you are welding if you are prone to shaking or you become unstable.